I attended a webinar, and as he started talking, the light bulbs just started going off. So I talked to Dr. Liao that night. I said, you know what, guys, I'm on board. So I took the whole team and we did the weekend, and it was amazing. But we were at a point where like, okay, how do we do this in our office? Because we're not Dr. Liao's office. We had Brittany fly out for a day. Basically, she's closed over 100 airway cases. She gave us different solutions that kind of customized to how we were trying to do things, because it's not a one size fits all. Every office does things differently. I think Brittany is going to change the trajectory, and I knew I was going to get there anyways, but I think she just saved me 6 months of trying to drag the team along. She doesn't live here, but she flew out and helped us, and honestly, that part is priceless.